Who's the pretty boy preening? Who's the pretty boy preening? What are you doing, Pickles? What are you doing? Do you want to scratch? Or am I interrupting the preening session? Very busy, aren't you? Who's a busy bird? Who's making his feathers a pretty? Who's a pretty boy? I just want to see what he's going to do. What are you going to do? Oh, you do want to scratch. You'd rather a scratch, hey? Hey? Do you like it? Do you like being scratched? What a good boy, you scratch me back. Oh, someone's jealous over here. Mike, I'll scratch you later. I'll scratch you later. I will scratch you later. Here, I love you too. Yes, I do. Oh, look who came over because he's jealous. Yes, we're competing. I know we're competing. If I had 3 hands, I'd scratch all of you. Yes. Yep. I'm not allowed to scratch the dog in front of a bird. I might get in trouble. Yep. I know.